In our last class, we discussed about what is ChatGPT and what is the difference between ChatGPT and chatbot. So today we will learn how to use ChatGPT and how to get registered, what is the URL and all. So let's jump into that. First of all, to use ChatGPT, we have to register. And for that, you simply search ChatGPT on Google. Once you search it, the very first URL that you will get, I already conveyed that it is developed by OpenAI. So this is the URL, openai.com, that you need to click. Once you click it, you see this type of a screen where you see that option login sign up. Apart from this, there is an option for try GPT as well. Here you can see the documentation that is specifically for developers and the product and the services and all. But in case you want to apply it, just use it very first time for checking out how it works and all. You simply click on try GPT, chat GPT. You will get that sign up or login screen. You need to sign up for this. Just need to click on that. Here you can pass your address and then continue. As I already have account on it, so I can directly log in, or you can use Google to continue with this. So I clicked on that. I have logged in with this account, so I selected that. And here it is. So it looks like this. This is the interface where you can simply type any message and you can ask anything. So for example, we can ask like, very simple question like, let's say, please confirm syllabus for 10th CBSE, let's say. You simply search and you will see. And it also give you that it may vary, but whatever the information it has collected, it will be giving you the the output based on that information, and it will keep generating. You see that it looks like how it goes on and on. You can say that what is linear equation, please explain with example. Linear equation, and here is the output. Don't you think that it's quite interesting, that it seems like that you are directly talking to your teacher and you are getting the responses. So it looks like this. Here it goes, and it may give some more answers as well. If you keep asking, maybe you not understood with this example that ChatGPT has given, then you can ask for another examples or the simplest way to explaining it. So it will do that too. So you see that it has generated that. For example, um, uh, uh, in English as well, you can type anything, that how to say that particular keyword in English and what is the language translation of this particular paragraph. Or you can write, you can say that write an email to class teacher for not feeling well, something like this. So here it is like subject, it has created not feeling well. Dear, it has given you the options as well. Here you can write the name of the teacher, and this is the entire, and whatever the change are supposed to do, it will give you that option to you. And this is like the normal stuff. Like for example, if I say, you can ask question related to the coding stuff and as well. Like for example, I say write a Python function to extract even from a given list, let's say. A very simple function. You can ask some more complicated queries as well. So it will directly give you can copy that code and you go to your ID, you try and you run it and you'll get the response. So this is how it works. Don't you feel that it's like quite interesting? It will be quite helpful for you. It can be anything, like you can say, maybe because ChatGPT will be able to answer in a different way. I mean, whatever the general information is available, it has given you the output. Like this will be the code, and that's a Python. If I say write the same in C as well. For example, I want this to be written in C language as well. So it will be giving you the outcome in that too. Or you can ask to write in a different programming language, or you can simply ask some generic question like what is the difference between C and Python? Write in points. These kind of instructions also you can give. So I've written this. So first difference, it says that's the difference of syntax, then typing, then memory management. It has given you the difference in pointers, and then performance and the standard libraries, portability. It can be anything, right? So you see, I mean, whatever the, the subject, you can ask anything from ChatGPT. Maybe if I say, give me ideas for celebrating my kid birthday. So it will give you the ideas as well. Here are some ideas for celebrating your kid birthday. Theme party we can have, outdoor adventure, and arts and crafts. Yes, so it will give something like this. So you can ask anything, and this way it will be giving you the responses. So you can ask anything like, how to solve uh, Fibonacci series. Maybe you can write like this. Let me enter it. Or how to write a function to generate a Fibonacci series. It can be anything. Maybe I'll be writing Python code sample for generating Fibonacci series. And I did some spelling mistakes as well. So it understood this, like this is the intent of this particular, input. So here it go. So you can ask anything. It's not specifically for school students or, coders. You can ask whatever you feel like, how to recipe. You can ask for any recipe as well, like how to create this particular stuff for cooking and all. So it's up to you. So this is how you can use it. I hope you enjoyed it. So you start using ChatGPT to increase your productivity and use it in as per your requirement. That's it for today. Thank you very much.